The Munich Residenz is the former royal palace of the Bavarian Monarchs of the House of Wittelsbach in the center of the city of Munich, Germany. The residence is the largest city palace in Germany and is today open to visitors for its architecture, room decorations, and displays from the former royal collections. The complex of buildings contains 10 courtyards and displays 130 rooms. The three main parts are the Königsbau, the Alte Residenz, and the Festsaalbau. A wing of the Festsaalbau contains the Cuvilliés Theatre since the reconstruction of the residence after World War II. It also houses the Hercules Hall, the primary concert venue for the Bavarian Radio Symphony Orchestra. The Byzantine court church of All Saints at the east side is facing the Marstall, the building for the former court riding school and the royal stables. The first buildings at this site were erected in the year 1385. The Silver Tower, as the strongest bastion, was significantly situated next to the inner walls protecting the castle against the city. This sturdy new castle, surrounded by wide moats at what used to be the very northeastern corner of the new double ring of walls, replaced the difficult-to-defend Old Court in the middle of the town as residence of the Wittelsbach rulers. The Gothic foundation walls and the basement vaults of the old castle are the oldest surviving parts of the palace. The residence's development over the centuries didn't only take place out of its main center, but in addition grew out of several single parts and extensions. Finally, after more than 4 centuries of development, the giant palace had practically replaced a whole former city quarter with barracks, a monastery, houses, and gardens. Thanks for watching this episode of VideoVoyage.TV. If you like this video, please subscribe to get our daily updates. If you have any questions, please ask in the comments section below. See you next time.